a North Sound Fire Department is helping researchers answer key questions about coronavirus. Everett firefighters on the front lines of the fight are joining a study to see how the body responds to the virus. KARA 7's Graham Johnson is live outside Fred Hutch Cancer Research Center in Seattle. And Graham, researchers are hoping to answer a lot of questions,
including, Monique, how well personal protective gear works. By going to Everett, the researchers based here are studying firefighters who helped COVID patients early in the pandemic, long before so many people started wearing masks. At Everett's Fire Station 5 today, potentially life-saving work wasn't only done by crews headed out on calls. It also happened inside this tent.
Good job. You need a moment?
That's Assistant Chief Rich Llewellyn getting a COVID-19 test from nurse practitioner Julie Zartowski of Fred Hutch. She's doing swab tests and blood tests for antibodies.
All of us really are trying to come together to get back to our lives.
The Seattle COVID cohort study is working with people who have the virus now, had it in the past, or who are at high risk because of their jobs.
Station 5 here is the epicenter, if you will, of early COVID responses in the city of Everett.
The first COVID patient diagnosed in the U.S. was in Everett. Assistant Chief Llewellyn says between early February and mid-March, firefighters at Station 5 contacted about 2/3 of the known COVID cases handled by the department. Early on, first responders were not as prepared with personal protective equipment.
We wanted to try and capture first responders that were out there before we really knew what to do.
Julie Zartowski hopes the study provides reassurance about how effective PPE can be. She uses herself as an example.
At first I was really nervous and I was worried about my kids at home and my family, and I'd run home and shower. And
now, despite seeing COVID patients regularly, she feels better.
I feel really confident that if I have my mask on correctly, if I'm wearing my hood and I have my gown on and I take my gloves off appropriately, that I'm not going to get it.
The Fred Hutch study closely follows COVID patients over time to see how their bodies respond. And that's really important when it comes to figuring out how to develop a vaccine. The study will also help the Everett Fire Department figure out how many of their firefighters have had COVID. Only a couple were diagnosed, and it's not clear if they got it on the job. Live in Seattle, Graham Johnson, KARA 7 News.